Hi friends, if you missed the Google Meets call, that's okay. I know not everyone can make those. This is going to be the directional video on how to make the penguin because penguin also begins with that P sound. And the first thing we're going to do is start with the penguin's body. And the way we're going to make that, let me get that piece of paper out of the way, is we're going to start with making a rainbow. A nice big rainbow. Now you can go ahead and try making that on your piece of paper. When you are ready, we're now going to close the rainbow, and this is going to be the hardest part of drawing this penguin. Are you ready for it? Oh, I don't know if I can do this part. It's really tricky. We're going to draw a line right across. Boop. Excellent. I bet your line looks better than my line. Now that we have the body, we need to give our penguin a belly. So I'm going to get a different color. You can keep the same color if you want, but I'm going to change colors so you can see the different steps that I'm doing. And I'm going to come into the penguin body a little bit and draw another little rainbow. So now we have the body and the belly. The next part that we need to draw for our penguin is, what do penguins have? Do they have arms and fingers? No, they have flippers that some people call wings, like a bird, because penguins are a type of bird. And our flippers are going to look like small sideways rainbows that are a little squished, like this. I'm going to come to the side and draw a tiny rainbow coming off the side. And because penguins have two flippers, I'm going to come to the other side to draw the other one. There we go. And the next part of our penguin that we're going to draw are the eyes. What shape are eyes? Are they triangles? Squares? No, they're circles. And we have two eyes. We'll draw a circle and a circle. Inside our eyes, we have the color of our eyes. My eyes are blue. Your eyes might be brown or green. I'm going to give my penguin brown eyes. In the middle, I'm going to draw and color in two little balls. We are getting so close to finishing our penguins. I bet they're looking great so far. But the next part is this right here, the nose and the mouth. Now, penguins don't have a nose and a mouth like we do. They have something called a beak, and we're going to draw it like an upside down triangle. In between the two eyes, we're going to draw a little line, and then I'm going to come here and draw a slanted line down. To the other side, another slanted line down to have my triangle for my beak. And the last part we need for our penguin are the feet. And how many feet would a penguin have? I bet you know that answer was 2. I'm going to draw one foot, or one leg, I should say, and the other leg. And now I'm going to give my penguin toes. 3 toes on each leg. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And if I count all of them, I would have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 toes. You don't have to write the numbers on yours, but if you want to try, go ahead. After you finish completing your penguin, I would love for your mommy or daddy or someone to help you take a picture of it and send it to me so I can see them. I bet they all look wonderful. Can't wait to see them. Bye.